So let's look at a few examples, see if we can do these quickly. So I want to take the third root of 162, x to the power 4, y to the power 6. So I've got the third root outside, so I've got to do some work here to simplify this. So let's simplify this. 162, and I need the third root of something. There is no, third root of 162 can't be evaluated, but I do know a number that can be divided. I know that 162 is equal to 81 times 2, right? And since I know that, I can express this differently. So I'm going to take the third root, and the way I'm going to write it is, I'm going to say it's the third root of 2 times 3 to the power 4, right? So that's the first part. And then I still have, and I'm going to extend this, x to the power 4 and y to the power 6. Okay, so got that going on. Now, we're going to try and factor out some stuff or try and make this easier to identify. So the stuff that I can't take the third root of, I'm going to take it out, but I'm still going to express it as multiplication. So I know that I'm taking the third root of something, right? And it's the third root of, let's see, what is the third root of? Well, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4. So let's see, 3 to the power 4. Let's go with, I'm going to keep a 3 here. I'm going to keep an x here, and I'm going to keep a y here. And I'm going to raise it to the power 3. I know that I'm going to be able to cancel out. But what does that leave me with over here that should have been multiplied? Well, I have 2. The 2 is there, right? We got a 2 there. Oh, wait a second. I have made one little mistake here. I'm going to fix this over here. Let's fix this. So I know that it's xy squared to the power 3 because it's y to the power 6. So what am I left with? So the 2 is no longer in the parentheses. I also have taken one of the 3's out, so it's times 3, and I've taken one of the x's out because it was x to the power 4. So now this kind of stands alone over here. But the rest of this can be evaluated. So that ends up being 3xy squared, right? And then I take the third times the third root of 2 times 3x. So you can even simplify that further. 3x times y squared times the third root of 6x. And that's your final result for that one in terms of most simplified.